welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of a semi-casual video. I will be talking about some new releases from Louis Vuitton. There is a lot of happening, different collection or like single pieces, you know, that LV is dropping here and there. So I just want to highlight like a few for you guys. So yeah, let's do it. So the new collection that is supposed to come out for, I think, the cruise 2021, I think it's 21, Game On, I think that's the name of it. I don't want to spend too much time on it because, you guys, this is completely hideous. Yeah, I think this collection will be specifically, you know, for those who just collectors. Those are like collectors pieces, you know. If you look at those speedies that are coming out with, like, how are you gonna wear it? Like, I just don't see this happening at all. I don't know, it's very weird, you know. They're taking some of the, you know, just like everyday, you know, handbags, and they turn into those kind of funky designs. I am just not into it. If you guys want me to talk about this collection a little bit more, I can do it, you know, once we get a little bit closer to the actual collection release dates. But again, this is just a little bit too hideous for me. All right, so let's talk about some more kind of normal looking stuff. So the first thing first, there's gonna be new on the go handbag, and this particular handbag is actually giving me some Dior tote, book tote vibes. I am not sure if this is made of the leather or is it going to be a fabric. The price, it's $3,050, and this is going to be released in September. What do you guys think? I mean, it's kind of pretty, but I mean, the price is up there, so I would assume this is a leather handbag. I don't know. I truly have no idea. There is gonna be also some bandeaus. They're gonna be released in July, so maybe they're already in the stores. The price is about $190. I think some of them are quite nice. You know, brownish, typical Louis Vuitton with the black is always nice. There's gonna be a kind of reddish with the pink tones as well. Those are very, very nice. The one that I am looking at, which I kind of like the color combination, is this particular one. So you have black, you have brown against the white, you know, LVs and black LVs. I think this one is really nice. So this is again from the Crafty collection. I think that collection is about to just come out any moment. And of course you have black and white, you know, the typical. So those are really, really pretty. You know, for those of you who like to dress up your handbags and have some bandau, you can just put it on your, you know, head or as a little neck. You know, there's just so many uses for it. So yeah, I think those bandaus are nice. So in August there will be a new Vanity PM in the leather coming out. For those who are lovers of vanities and who like to wear vanities as a handbag. Personally, this is not my thing. The price for this particular handbag is going to be $2,970, so it is quite pricey, in my opinion, and I would personally not even consider this because I strongly believe that cosmetic cases should stay as a cosmetic cases, and this is just too much. There's gonna be also a petite sac coming up in July, $1,560. This is also made in the epi leather. Petite mal, that's another one for those who like, you know, those boxy, more structured handbags. It's gonna be whopping $5,650. That's a little bit too much, but it does come with this thick, you know, with this thick strap. If that's what you like, you know, why not? I just think like this is gonna be, in my opinion, this is gonna be a little bit useless because I don't even think you can put your cell phone in there. So there we go. But you know, everybody's different. Okay, handbag that lots of people are super excited about, and for those who are who likes bucket bags, they're gonna come up with this kind of looking like a neo-noir, but it's called a Muria or Maria. I don't know exactly. It's Muria, and this particular handbag will be coming up in September. Really expensive, $4,350. That's a lot of money, but it is made of this mahina leather, mahina, M-A-H-I-N-A. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation, you guys. The bag looks beautiful. I am personally not a fan of any bucket bags whatsoever. I just feel like they look awkward, but the bag looks, to me, like to my eyes, it just looks beautiful. So this will be coming up in September. As far as the SLGs goes, there's gonna be quite a few new wallets. I believe Juliet wallet, it's something very new. I don't think it's available, you know, this is like a complete new design, which is supposed to be coming any day now. So it's called the Juliet wallet, and it's $780, and I think it will come with different colors. I think I've seen it with the black. So yeah, so that's a new design wallet from Louis Vuitton. Comes also in a reverse monogram, and it looks like it's gonna have, you know, quite a few card slots, and there's like a little zipper compartment inside for those who likes to use coins like me, who carry cash and the coins. This will come quite handy. It kind of reminds me of the like a what is it called, French purse kind of a vibe. So that's what I think it's kind of look like. So yeah, it looks nice. I mean, it's, you know, it's a completely new design. For the backpack lovers, we have a Monserie, that's how you say, backpack in the leather version. So we had ones before in the monogram version, the canvas version. Now we're gonna have it in the leather version. $2,700. You know, not cheap. It should be coming out anytime, and it's gonna come in a few colors as well. The new handbag design, Bisaccia, it will come in MM as well as the PM size. The price will be $1,860 for the PM and $1,990 for the MM size. This looks more like, to me, like a messenger kind of a handbag. I do like the little, you know, tag that it has up front, and it has a zipper, and it looks like the strap will be quite long. So, you know, that is definitely a new design, and I personally like better the one that comes in the brown and black color. So yeah, because, you know, if you don't like the vachetta being completely used up, that's probably something you would like it a little bit better. Another handbag, which I think it's new as well, because I haven't seen that on Louis Vuitton. This is the Maida. It will come also in July, should be any moment. $2,700, and this is like a damier ebene kind of a handbag. Again, I like the LV, you know, little, what is it called, like a tag that is attached to it, like a you know, and it's kind of see-through. I like it. I really like it. For the bum bags lovers, for the men's collection, there's a new bum bag, is that how you call it? Bum bag coming. It's going to be $1,880, and the Christopher wearable wallet monogram handbag. This is a men's bag. Remember, you guys, I mentioned that in Europe, men likes to wear a man bag. I know it's not quite popular in America, but you gotta trust me, in Europe, men likes to wear a man bag. So this particular handbag, it's kind of reminds me of that. That's $1,430. I mentioned that petite sac earlier, that comes out in the black color. It will also come up in the mini size or the PM size in the monogram as well, because I think right now they only have like a bigger version of it, and it looks like it's gonna be really small, you guys. I do have a dimensions. It's 5.5 by 2 by 6.7. That is gonna be tiny. $1,360, and it will come up on July 31st. What do you guys think? This is like so tiny. I don't know. Card holder, which I think it's pretty nice because has like some compartments. There's some variety in here. So this one is called a recto versa, I think. Card holder recto versa. It will come up on July 31st as well, and it's $625. So I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of think like this could be something, you know, like your mini, kind of a mini wallet. I do like it. And you could store your keys as well, because it has inside, there's a chain, you know, for your keys, and then you can put your card, and you have a little purse up front, you know, compartment for your chains as well. The one wallet for men's, from the men's collection, that I thought it was really, really nice. This is the multiple wallet monogram mascara, and this will come out as well in July, and that's $560. I think it's beautiful. I think it's really, really nice for men, you know, if they don't like to hold a lot of you know, cash. I think it's really, really nice as well. Alright guys, so this is what I have for today. This was like a quick kind of rundown of the new-ish pieces coming out. Let me know what do you think. Let me know what do you what do you think about this game collection. I know I didn't spend much time on it. There are some videos out there who people talk about this a little bit more. Yeah, I just don't know what to think. Definitely I will not be purchasing any. I think it's just like completely out. But anyway, let me know what's your favorite pieces from the new-ish releases here, and if you're picking up something. And yeah, let me know what do you think. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.